Coffee. Biking. Nature.
Nature, there's nothing like it. When you're out here, you make sure you take nothing but photographs and leave nothing but memories. We take care of nature for our kids to enjoy it too someday. Cheers!
Ang pagmamahal sa kalikasan ay parang pagmamahal mo rin sa iyong pamilya. Dapat nasa isip at puso mo para may makita pa ang ibang henerasyon na magagandang lugar at malinis na lugar. Sana pare-parehas tayong ganoon ang pag-iisip at isa puso natin ang kagandahan ng kalikasan.
Dito sa Pilipinas, marami nang nasisirang kapaligiran. So let's do our share. Let's help protect our environment so that the future generation will be able to enjoy what we are enjoying now. Let us save planet Earth, love our Earth.
We really need to love and value our nature, as well as respect and appreciate those people who live there. You, me, it's our responsibility to take care of it so that future generation may also benefit before everything becomes too late.
I've been into biking like 4 months ago since the pandemic started. Ever since then, I began to appreciate and love the nature that we've been through. As the bikers would say, the road less traveled, and that is the appreciation of the nature. Like this one, we're here in Sapang Bato. It's a hidden treasure here in Angeles City. And soon, as we go on to our next adventures, we're planning to give relief goods to the Ayeta community, who are the ones responsible for taking good care of our mother nature.
Every time we go to nature's hidden places, okay, make sure we enjoy it. But we need to make sure as well that we don't leave any trash for other visitors, and we don't uproot any plants as well. Okay, what we can only leave is the memories and adventures we enjoy.
Let's enjoy the outdoors. We should minimize our trash by using more recyclable items. Okay.
We really need to do our little share by protecting our own environment. Besides, it is ours.
I love nature. I hope you too.